Happy Monday. I wasn't really intending to film anything, but we got a fancy new camera and I really need to expose myself for a moment. We need to get my shit together with my closet. So I'm going to show you what we're working with because it's not fabulous, and then we are going to get my closet cleaned up today. So I'm taking you along with me. So I'm really exposing myself right now, but this is that. And then we have this mobile rack that I use when I'm doing laundry. I was organizing purses under there, so we're getting there. Pan to the entryway to the closet. This is so bad. Oh my goodness. Laundry baskets, and then this is the state of the closet. It's bad news bears, friends. So it's the worst closet because it's really just a hallway, and then there's this monstrosity of a piece of furniture in the closet that just takes up more space than it gives storage. So this is why everything looks the way that it does. Okay, we've made a checkpoint, which was to clear the chair and the floor space. Next is hallway and closet. Quick little snuggle sesh. Oh, don't leave me. See? Hi, fam. Hi, fellow beans. Okay. Well, back to the cleaning. Quick little room change because I'm gonna reorganize all of my pajamas and things here, and then we'll move on back to this space. Look at sweet baby. So these I want to make into shorts. These I want to get rid of, or maybe make into shorts. We'll see. So we made some progress, but I tend to make a very large mess before I get it clean. So I forgot that we have a barbecue to get to, so Josh is on his way to come and get the two of us. So pause. We're going to a barbecue. I'll show you. No, I won't.
Also the most intense 3 on 2000. Yeah.
We just had some